Hello, guess who and guess what? Well, guess who is me, Robbie Susan Chandler, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator who lives in Quincy, Florida, right outside Tallahassee, Florida. If you live in the area, I hold classes in my home every 2 weeks on Sunday afternoon, Monday at noon, and Thursday at noon, and again at 5 o'clock. So like I said, if you're in the area, come over and join us. We'd love to have you. So today is my card number 6 in my series of 6 cards made with the Scenic Coast Specialty Designer Series paper. This pack of paper here, Scenic Coast, and it's got 6 lovely designs in it. And I'm going to show you the other 6 cards real quick, and then we'll get to this card. But I also want to add that I will be doing a card number 7 with this Sunrise Selling bundle, but it will not involve this paper, but it's really different. I think you'll really like it, so look for it to come soon. So let's look at this pack of paper. Here's the first sheet. This was card number 1. Look at that glimmer. And this was the card we did. And it opened, we used the lighthouse. Opened up like this. That was card number 1. Card number 2, we used this paper. And here's the card we made. It opened up like, see the top, like that. Card number 3 was with this pretty piece. And this card had a little center flap here, where we just kind of opened it up and then had a piece on the back. Card number 4 was this beautiful sunset piece. And on this one we put the lighthouse. And it opens out, and there's your whole DSP piece, 2, 4, 6 inches wide. This DSP is 6 by 6. So that's card number, what am I on, 5? And then here's card number 6. More shimmer there. And this is a card we did, and it's an easel card. It stands up like that. And then you open up, and here's where you can write your sentiment. And that was number 5. And then tonight we're going to use this piece. And here's the card we're going to do. And what's different about this piece, 2 things. One is the pinks. This time we're using the Melamambo on this one, and the others were mostly blues and those colors. But this one we're using Melamambo, which makes it different. Then it has a center flip that flips up like that. So let's take a look at this paper and see what we do with it. Okay, to begin with, our card base is just balmy blue, and it is 5 1/4 by 5 1/2. So that's our card base. Now, this piece is the one we have to cut. So what I did, let me lay my cut piece over here. Okay, I'm going to line it up where it is. There we go. So the first thing I did was cut a 1/2 inch off the bottom. So we took this 1/2 inch, and I actually saved this strip and used the back to punch my sentiment right here. Let me push everything up some. Just looked up at my screen. It's like, oh, nothing's on the screen. Okay, so the piece that we cut off here, I punched with the triple banner punch that piece out to stamp my sentiment on. And then we cut 1 1/3 off the top. So when I put it back down here, you can see that this piece is gone, and I just put that to the side. I didn't use that piece anywhere. And then I took what was left, which is this piece right here in the middle, and I cut 1 1/4 off each side. 1 1/4. That left this piece at 3 1/2 by 4 1/8. But when you cut these off, you'll get your center piece. So 1 1/3 off the top, a 1/2 off the bottom, and 1 1/4 off each side. So once you do that, then first you need to take your side pieces and adhere them down first. We're going to just put this card together because it's a quick and easy card, and we could just do it right here. Well, here's our side piece. And here's the other side. And these have to go on first because your middle flap is going to go over these pieces. Okay, now we need our middle flap, and this piece, this is the middle flap. It is Balmy Blue, turn this over, it's 8.5 by 3 5/8, and you score it 4 1/4. 8.5, 3 5/8, and you just fold it down the middle. And inside we have a piece of basic white that's 3 1/4 by 4 1/8. 3 1/4 by 4 1/8. And on that I just stamped the Sailboat. I used the colors Balmy Blue and Mellow Mambo. And I stamped this Sailboat from a retired set, Sunset Sailing, for the background. And then I stamped from So Sincere, Hope Your Day is a Happy One. And then my Celebrate sentiment on the front is actually from Boardwalk Fun. So those are all the stamp sets I use. Alright, so now I have my piece on the inside, but here's our front piece. And we need to put that on here, so let's go ahead and do that. It just fits right on this front. There we go. And let's get it straight. Boy, that's one thing I like about the green and white the Tombow multi-purpose glue. You can wiggle these around till you get them where you want them. Whereas with the snail or the tape on here, once you put it down, it's there. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. Alright, well, I could move it down just a touch, but I don't know that that's going to happen now because I think it has adhered. Okay, so let's put this piece down. This goes down right in the center and overlaps those little side flaps, and it's level from top to bottom. So you want your top and the bottom pieces level. So see, it just carries your design right across. Okay, now let's look at the Sailboat. Sailboat is from well, first the circle is from Stylish Shapes, and the Sailboat is from Sunset Coast. So what I did, I cut my circle out of Mellow Mambo, and once I got my circle cut out, then I laid this in the circle and cut out my my boat. So I had to use these two together to get this full circle here, because if you don't, it doesn't work right. You just get this little thin circle there, and I wanted something a little bit more substantial, so I decided to cut it with the circle first. Of course, then you'll have some on the bottom you may have to cut off. Alright, so let's put our Sailboat on here. And I see now that I Wink-a-Stella'd my boat, and I'll need to do that. So let's glue the top of this. Since everything else on here is shimmering, we might as well shimmer the boat too. Let's just stick that down so it'll stay in place. Now, right here you see some netting. See a little fish net there? That is this dye from Sunrise Coast, and I use this paper called Natural Hues, and it comes in 3 colors. This one, a more golden one, and a lighter one. And I used this one to cut my netting, and then I just cut it in half. So here's our netting that's cut in half. I'm going to put just a little bit of glue on the back because our sentiment's going to hold it down. And just pop it right there, and it can overhang a little bit right there. And then let's put our sentiment right on top of that, just like this, and it can overhang a little bit too. And you know what I need? I've got to just get some Wink-a-Stella on this boat real quick. Now, if your Wink-a-Stella starts getting, what's the word, not as shiny as it should, just add some alcohol to it. You can take out this, pull out that little black stopper and fill it up with alcohol, and it will just go and go and go. I'm trying not to get this on the DSP. I should have done this before I put it down, truth be known, but we're adding it now. There we go. A little bit more right there. And I see one little piece I should have popped out of this boat. There we go. Alright, now looking at it, what do you see I'm still missing? Yep, the jewels. And what we used are the 2025, 2027 in color flat pearls. So let's pop a few of those down. I'm going to use another yellow one, but I'm not going to put it down there because it just didn't show in the water down there. So let's put it up here in the pink sky. And then let's use a pink one. And we'll put it over here in the blue water. It should show there. And let's see, what color do I want now? How about one of these light orange? Let's see, we used a dark orange? Yeah, let's use this. Let's use this one right here. Put it right there. There we go. So there's our finished card. Now wasn't that pretty quick and easy? So if you will, please like my video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I have links to all the supplies below. So if you'd like to buy any of these supplies, and this paper has been on back order and it's back in right now, but it's currently on low inventory. So you better get it while you can if you want it. If you would like to buy supplies from me, I'd love to be your demonstrator. If you'd like to be on a team, I'd like to be your team leader. So until next time, stay safe, stay happy, stay well, and happy crafting.